Hello, this is Michelle Eves, and I'm going to go over purchasing a domain name. And you're going to want to use a domain name for all the links of the products that you're going to market. But you don't have to purchase a domain name right now, and let me show you why. Why would we even think about that? Well, because these domain names are pretty long and complicated, and it would be hard for you to remember. And there is training in the basics about these links, but um, it would be easier to remember like markandmichelle.com as opposed to ipassdiscount.com !ID equals, all this stuff. So um, what you can do for free is click on copy the link, and then track me, trck.me. It's free. It's tracks your links. So let's say you're marketing and you've got 10 links out there. You know which one is actually doing really good, getting the best results. So you would click track me, set up an account, click on links, add a tracker. You want to track hits to a link, and then click next step, and you want to name it iPass training video. I'm going to say do not use because otherwise I will. And then the URL to track, and you want to paste in the link. Now, they're going to tell you in that basics training video on adding IDs at the end. So we're just going to put one there. That way you know where exactly it came from. I'm going to click next step. And here we get a small tracking URL that we can post anywhere. And you can do it this way if you want. Or I'm going to show you how to purchase a domain name. And let's hope that GoDaddy is working with me now. It was in a loop. So we use GoDaddy. I don't usually have a problem with them at all, and I trust them better than the other ones. But again, you can use any domain seller. I don't know what they're called. Anyway, so we're going to think of a domain name that we could use. And the best one to use is actually your name, because you're getting your branding out there. You start branding yourself. But for right now, we're just going to choose yourmoneysystem.us. Okay. And we're going to see if it's available. And it is for $1. So, or well, it's deceiving, but we're going to select it. And then we're going to continue to cart. But basically, you can do .com, of course. Well, let me show you what the .com was and why I chose US. For this one, because it is a premium Your Money system, it's going to be $1,500. But if you choose another one, it's much, much, much cheaper. There are so many extensions now. It's crazy. But besides .com, .net, .org, there's .us, .co, money, training, info, fund, systems, cash, news, you name it, they pretty much got it. So for right now, though, we're going to select .us, and we're going to continue to cart. Now, this business registration, we're going to say no thanks to it, but basically, real quick, what it is there's a who is directory on the internet where you can find out who owns the domain names. And if you want to keep your information private, then you can pay $5 a year for the privacy. We do not personally, because they can find information. They can find our contact information anywhere on the internet. So because it's in the who is directory, it's no big deal to me. and nobody even uses that directory really anymore. So it used to be really popular, but I don't know anybody who talks about it anymore. So we're going to say no thanks. The email, you want to add email to your domain. However, Mark knows how to get it for free. So we're going to say no to that right now. We do not need a website builder or hosting. So iPass and Empower Network do that for us. We just need a domain name. So we're going to say no, and we're going to click Continue to Cart. And it's going to go into a loop. Basically, you will check out. What I was going to show you was there are, did I show you? There are GoDaddy promo codes. Whoops. You just Google GoDaddy promo codes, and you can find one where you can get a domain name for 99 cents. Awesome. You can choose to have your domain name renewed every year, 2 years, 3 years, 5 years, or 10 years. And of course, the price is different for each year that you choose. That's why I said that the $1,500 was deceiving, or the $1 was deceiving, because it was $1 for the first year, but you had to purchase 2 years. So it was actually $20. But anyway, so that's buying a domain name. Now, I want to show you why you'll have all these links, but you only need one domain name. And that is because you can get subdomains up to, and I'm going to log out and log back in real quick. You can have up to 250 subdomains on one domain. And I'm going to show you how to do that real quick. But you would go, okay, when you log in, you go to this page, and you're going to click Manage under Domains. We have a lot of domains. We bought all these before we knew about the subdomain. But I'm going to pick Grow with M&M.us because we have a lot of subdomains on that one. First thing you're going to do is you're going to go under Forwarding, Domain, and you're going to click Manage. And if you just want to set up one link with this domain name, all you do is click on Add Forwarding. And you paste in the link. And you're going to choose Forward Only or Forward with Masking. Forward Only means that when somebody types in growwithmm.us up here in the URL, then it will take them to this link, and it will show this link up in the URL. But if you select Forward with Masking and they typed in growwithmm.us, growwithmm.us will remain up here. So it masks this link. And this is really good practice to use when you're marketing on Facebook, because Facebook has blocked the iPass links and the blog links because there are so many people marketing with them on Facebook, and a lot of these people do not follow the correct rules for marketing on Facebook, whether you pay for it or you're doing it for free. So it has blocked all of the links. So you want to definitely forward and mask when you use it with Facebook. But I'm not going to do it, so I'm going to click Cancel, but that's how you would do that, and then it would show up here. Now, to do a subdomain, instead of going through this, you would go down here to Subdomain and click Manage. And we have 14 subdomains with growwithmm.us. These are the subdomains, and basically it is, they would type in watch and dot growwithmm.us, and it would take them to this link. But let's create or pretend we're creating another one. Let's say we're going to do money. Money growwithmm.us, and we're going to have it go to this link. And say we are not marketing on Facebook, so we're only going to choose forward. And then we would click add. And then money would show up in this list. So that is how to forward and mask a domain, and also how to set up subdomains. So I hope that that was helpful to you. If you have any questions, just let us know. I will get Mark to do a quick training on how to get the email for free. And so I hope you have a good rest of your day.